Привет, друзья! Как дела? My name is Fedor, and today is our final 18th episode of 50 Russian words per week. But today we have 53 because there's 3 more words in the Russian A1 level. And all of these will be nouns for today. But before we start, I want to say this. This is our 18th episode, and by the end of it, you will achieve all A1, or you will have learned all A1 level words in Russian. And this is exactly what it takes for one to be fluent in Russian. Not the A1 level words, no, but the discipline and diligence in working on your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the language in essence, and all other things help us use that vocabulary correctly. So, if you continue with the same approach to your Russian language, then one day I have no doubt that you will be fluent. And we might continue with A2 level words, we may not, we'll see, time will tell. But you don't have to wait for us. You don't have to stop here. Now, of course, granted that you have learned all the A1 level words and not just watched these videos. So yeah, continue to practice those words that we have put together in this 18 episode series, and so you can use them on a spot like this whenever you want to speak Russian. All right, now let's get to the 18th episode, and all of these words will be available on Be Fluent as always with the first link in the description. You can check it out, add it to your vocabulary, and practice this with our exercises. The exercises are set up specifically for you guys to not forget these words over a long period of time, so you can have them in your memory for good. Now, let's move on to the list. The first word is конверт. Конверт is envelope. Конверт. Полотенце is a towel. Полотенце. Simple enough. Мотоцикл. Motorcycle. Moto, first, means motor. Cycle is cycle, so motorcycle. Ванна is a bath. Actual bath. Not bathroom, but the actual bath. Ванна. Велосипед is a bicycle. Велосипед. Next, тетрадь. Тетрадь is a notebook or notebook where you write your notes. Тетрадь. Переводчик is a translator. Can be an app, can be a person. Переводчик. Next, понедельник. Понедельник is Monday. Понедельник. Бассейн is pool. Бассейн. So far, all of these words, I feel like I'm going so fast because I don't have to explain them. They're pretty self-explanatory with just the translation. Kassa is a cash register. Kassa. Посол is ambassador. Посол. Or, there's another one, ambassador, but some other one, I forget the name in English. I'll put the name in the translation over here. Another one. Посол. Пятница is Friday. Пятница. Анкета is a questionnaire. Анкета. Свитер is a sweater. Свитер. Свитер is typically a sweater without a hood, and just like a long sleeve sweater that is, like a nice looking one. Свитер. Typically, athletic things wouldn't be called свитер, it would be called like кофта, something like that, or олимпийка. But свитер is actually more for casual clothing. Свитер. Электричество is electricity. Электричество. Открытка is a postcard. Открытка. And it comes from a word открыть, to open, because it opens in, like you have a note card or postcard and you can open it in the middle. Открытка. Тост is a toast. Make sure that this one you pronounce it as a Russian pronunciation because it's so easy to pronounce it just simply saying toast because it sounds very similar. Two differences there. They're both T's. Tost. In English we say toast, so t. In Russian, t is different. It's more dull. Toast, so it's t versus t. Toast, toast, t. Okay, hope that makes sense. And then the o is just simply o, toast. In English, it's two vowels, toast, right? Russian is just simply toast. So two differences in pronunciation there. Аптека is a pharmacy. Аптека. Троллейбус is trolleybus. Trolleybus is the one that goes on the rails no, sorry, tramvai is the one that goes on rails, but this one also is connected with the electric rods up top. but it's like a bus, троллейбус. Kinotheater is cinema, or kino means theater, kino means movie, theater means theater, so it's like a movie theater. Kinotheater, one word. Балет is ballet. Балет, we have this t at the end that we have to pronounce. Балет. Низ is bottom. Низ can be referring to your clothing, bottom, and can be just referring to like a bottom of some building, низ. Светофор is traffic light. Светофор. Свет is light. I'm not sure what for stands for, but светофор, traffic lights. Test is test. Test. Similar thing in pronunciation, we have test. The t is a Russian sounding t, not test, like in English. And this, I guess the here, the ye letter sounds the same as in English. So test. Supermarket is a supermarket. Supermarket, grocery store. Supermarket can be also not just a grocery store, but other things that can be sold in the store as well, like, household appliances. Supermarket. Прокладка is a pad. Прокладка can be women's hygiene pad. It can also be some other things for construction, for cars. Прокладка. Video is a video, of course. Video. And unlike in English, we cannot say videos in plural. Video is just going to be video regardless of the number. We cannot have multiple video. It's just same. The word will stay the same. It's not going to be declined to different cases and number, like singular and plural. So video. Адресат is an addressee. Адресат is a person who you're sending something for. Адресат. Escalator is an escalator. Escalator. Now, escalator, escalator. So A versus A, escalator. Gel is gel, gel. Shampoo is shampoo. Make sure that you pronounce this n at the end. Shampoo. Not just like in English, shampoo. Next, мобильник is a slang for a mobile phone. Мобильник. Отправитель is a sender. Отправитель. Дома is at home. Дома. This one should be an adverb, but I think because it has a stem of home, it kind of snuck into the noun section. So, дома means at home. Столовая is cafeteria. Столовая. Дети is children. Дети. Банкомат is ATM. Банкомат. Bank here is bank. Mat is like, we have автомат, банкомат. Something that works automatically or something that works to do something. So, банкомат, ATM. Транскрипция is, of course, transcription. Русский язык is a Russian language. Русский язык. Зубная паста is toothpaste. Toothpaste. Зубная паста has two words, while in English it's just simply one word. Зубная щетка is a toothbrush. Зубная щетка. Головная боль is a headache. Головная боль. Подземный переход means an underpass or pedestrian walk underground. Underground walk. Книжный магазин, bookstore. Книжный магазин, book. In fact, книжный means book. Магазин means store. Сотовый телефон is a cell phone. Сотовый телефон. Водительские права. Driver's license. Водительские права. Права means rights. So it's driving rights. Идет дождь is a phrase. Also, we're going to include it here because, there's no room for phrases. So идет дождь is it's raining. Идет снег is it's snowing. Then we have евро for euro, евро for currency, ужин for dinner, ужин, and finally очки. Очки is glasses. It can be reading glasses. It can be sunglasses. Очки. Done. Finito. We have finished with this A1 level word list. And now you guys know how to describe most basic things, have a most basic conversation, and keep on learning this stuff. Keep on learning new words so you won't stay at beginner level and you can get further and further into Russian when it comes to vocabulary. It's going to be very, very beneficial for all of you guys Russian. I promise you that. That's all. See us over at BeFluent right here to learn more of overall approach to Russian, not just like one individual vocabulary stuff, but everything's there for your communication, most importantly. And keep on watching our YouTube videos with this next one. It's up to you.